Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can upload files to your conversations and chats on Microsoft Copilot, like for example Word files or PDF files, to have these analyzed by Copilot. So let us guide you through this. So let me navigate to Microsoft Copilot. I'm logged in with my account. Let me navigate to that example conversation here. So guys, before you send your request or question here, for example, I don't know if you have a Word document, enter the question here, but before you do that, click into that plus button below and select one of these options. So for example, guys, you may go with a file uploaded to your Google Drive account. In this case, you navigate to use connectors and navigate to Google Drive. However, guys, it will be needed to connect Google Drive with it first. Or if you'd like to attach, for example, an email from Microsoft Outlook, enable it here, or upload a file from OneDrive. Or if you'd like to do it traditionally, upload it from your device, click into add images or files, locate the file on your device like a Word document, and make sure that you enter also the correct request or question here that is related to the given text. Press enter, and that's it. Wait for the response. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.